Hello, good morning to all. Can you hear me, guys? Hello, good morning. Can you hear me, Anna? Right. So, yeah. So, you have doubts. Yesterday we did some questions. Yeah. So Hannah has doubt. Anybody has other doubt? Yes, please, Hannah.
Didn't try any other to study that I didn't after I didn't get the subject.
You didn't try it. Okay. Well, yeah. Yes. So now ask me question. What question you have?
So far,
You're mute. Say loudly.
check
Because
your progress 4.9, the second one.
second, it's written as x cube plus 1 upon. Hello, Johan. Good morning. Johan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. How's your
Good morning.
health now?
Sir,
How's your health?
it's getting good, better.
Yesterday, if you missed little bit, so you can see that video. And if you didn't understand, then ask me tomorrow, okay? And one thing I want to ask, guys, see, 16, 17, and 18. Like 18 is Saturday, there's no tension about that. But 16 and 17, I have VBS, that is from 8 o'clock. So can we have a class on 6, like 6 o'clock morning? Joshua? Joshua saying, yeah. Johan, are you ready? The
Yes,
morning
sir.
6 o'clock for 2 days
Okay.
only, not more than.
Yes, sir.
Anna, okay. Anna,
Sir, could you repeat that again? I couldn't hear it.
see, 16, 17, 18 is VBS. Okay, so 18 is Saturday, there is no tension about that. But for 16 and 17, can we have class on morning 6 o'clock?
6 o'clock. Wow. Yeah. Okay.
You was not mute. Okay, so then we
Yes.
will have 2 days, 6 o'clock morning. Okay,
Tomorrow is 10 a.m., right?
sorry,
Tomorrow's class is at 10 a.m.
not tomorrow. Tomorrow is 10 a.m., but on Thursday and Friday, it will be 6 a.m. Okay. So now this is the question. So now understand it like this. See, this is x cube plus 1. Okay. So can I write 1 cube as 1? Yes. Because what is the answer of 1 cube? 1. Okay. So it means that it's x cube plus 1 cube upon x4 plus 1, okay, into take x cube minus 1 cube upon x4 minus. Understood? Yes or no? Now it is in the form of a cube minus a cube plus b cube. What is the identity of that? Anna?
into a square plus b plus c.
Yeah, a plus b is a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. In the same, so it means that if I will compare this part and this part, then I will get the value of a is x and value of b is 1. Okay. So I will put the values into this, so it will become x plus 1, x square plus plus x plus 1. Understood? Yes or no? Hmm? So, okay, I will write like this, x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. And this will also become like this, x minus 1, x square plus x plus. Okay, can anybody ask me why I wrote this, Joshua? Can you ask me why I wrote this? Because the identity of a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square. And the identity of a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay? Yes or no? Understood, guys? So that's why x cube minus 1 cube, I wrote it like this. Okay. Now x4 plus 1. Can do one thing. Like x plus 1. Can I write this 1 as 1 to the power 4? Because 1 to the power 4, the answer is also 1. So x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1 into x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1, x4 plus 1. Now it is in the form of, now can I write it like this? Yes or no? I just split the power. Enough. Okay. Okay. Now it means that can I write it like this? X plus 1, x square minus x plus 1 into x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1, x to the power 4 plus 1 into x square minus y square means a minus b and a plus b. Understood? No. 10 x plus 1 into square plus x plus 1 into x minus 1 x squared plus x plus 1 on x4 plus 1 into a minus b plus b. Now this and this will cut. Okay. Now the remainder we have square minus x plus 1 x squared plus 1. Now, see, Hannah. See, this is now. Can you see that? Can I assume this part as A and this part as B? Means A minus B into this part same as A and this part same as B. So it means it will become A plus B. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. So what will I do? I'll now what is the property of that? A square minus B square. Yes. So what is A square? A square is x to the power 2 plus square minus b square, which is x plus 1 the square upon mm, I think this is the final answer.
Sir, could you explain the beginning part again?
Yeah. See, nothing else. A cube plus b cube is there, so it can be written as a plus b. Okay, a square minus ab plus b. In the same way, a cube minus b cube is there, then a minus b, a square plus ab plus square. Okay, so then I wrote it like this. Now 1 to the power of 4, the answer is 1, so I just wrote 1 to the power of 4. Why? Because I split this power 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So it becomes a square minus b, this whole b square. Okay, so what is the answer of this? A square, sorry, a minus b, which is a is equals to x square. So a minus b is 1 square, b, and a square plus b square. 10. A plus b. A minus b, a plus b. Okay. Now, what I did again is the form of a square minus b square. So, what is the answer of that? A plus b, a minus b. The plus and this plus will cut, and this minus and this minus will cut. Now, what I did, now if I just assuming this as a and this whole as b. So, a minus b, this is whole as a, and this is whole as b. So, a plus b. So, a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So, a is x square plus square, and x plus 1 the square. Then I solved it and I wrote it like that. Okay? Okay, write it down. Johan, did you understand better?
Yes, sir.
I did. Okay, good. Johan, you don't have any doubts in this chapter because today is the last day in this chapter. Like we'll complete this chapter today.
No, sir, I'm clear with this chapter.
Sorry.
I'm clear with this chapter, sir.
Uh, but I'm not getting your homework, beta.
Yeah, I'm in my native town right now, so I'm outside most of the time. I don't have any time to do my work.
So when will you submit the all the work? When will you go to your
Uh,
hometown?
can I try by the end of this week?
Thank you. Send it to me, okay? In the group.
Okay, sir.
Good. Okay. Done? Okay. Shall I raise this, guys? Anna, shall I raise this? Okay, now what is the role of divide? See, divide is given. For example, 2 by 3 divided by 6 by 4. If it is given like this, then how we used to do? We just change this division sign into multiplication, okay, by reciprocating this number, okay. So it means that it is written as 6 by 4. Joshua, please pay attention. It is written 6 by 4, now. Then it will become ulta, means reciprocal. It will become 4 by 6. Understood? So then 2 ones are 2 threes are, and then it becomes 4 by 9. In the same way, when if the question is like this, x square plus 11x plus 18 divided by x square minus 4x minus 7, and then divide sign is there, x square plus 7x plus 10 divided by x square minus 12x minus 30. If the question is like this, then what will you do? First step is to write the incorrect form. So it will become like this. So it will become ulta fulta. Means this the numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So it will become like this. Like understood this? Yes or no, Joshua? Now Joshua will tell me, are they in factor form?
Yeah.
Are they these numbers are in factor form?
Yeah. They're not.
What are the factors? Like they should be in multiplication form, like 2 into 3, 5. So like x plus 2 into x minus 3. So these are in factor form. So but these are these in factor form?
No.
No. So first we have to create factors. Now I taught you how to create factors by the middle term splitting. Yesterday we did that. Just once again. So can you do it and give it me the answer of this question? Like all guys.
Okay.
Okay. Hannah has some doubt. Please ask me. No doubt. Doubt illa. Okay. So then quickly do it. Everybody, Anna, Johan, everybody, just do the middle term splitting and then give me the answer. Okay. Joshua, you got the factors?
No, sir.
You got stuck, then ask. If you want to ask something, then ask it.
You have to do middle term splitting on x square. You have to do middle.
Yeah, middle term splitting of each number, like this number. So how will you do the middle term splitting? You just tell me the step, then I will do on the video. Yeah.
You have to do first. You have to take the 18 and add the 18 x square. You have to do.
Yeah. So to write at the side. Yes. Then you have to write x there and x. Then
Then you have to. Uh, 18. 9 to the 18.
very good. 9 to the 18. So it will become like this. X square plus 9x. Now instead of 11x, you got two terms like this. Then what will you do?
Plus
You have to find the common from the first two. So what is the common number?
x.
X. Then what will you write inside the bracket?
X again.
X then plus
9. 9.
very very good. Now what is the common in these two numbers?
Is it 9?
9. Is this term divisible by 9? What is the common between these two numbers? They are both divisible by 2. Yeah. Then you have to write plus 2 here. Then
Then 18.
uh, from this only 2 is out. So what will remain behind?
X. X. X.
X plus from this
8. 18.
uh, now
18.
18 2 is from 18 2 is out. What will remain behind?
Figure out 8.
Like 18 has factor of 9 into 2. 9 to the 18. No? Now 2 is out. What will remain behind?
9.
Yeah. Understood? Now what is the common between these two numbers?
The x plus 1.
X plus 9 will come out. What will remain behind?
X and 2.
X plus. These are the factors. So I will write instead of this. Understood? Yes. Anna got every answer? Every factor? Okay. So what is the answer, Anna? Please tell me.
Plus 1 up.
Say loudly, because when you unmute your mic for the instant, it just muted.
X
Say
plus
loudly.
1 upon x plus 5.
X plus 1. Perfect. Now take out this process, this page number 131. Check your progress, 4.9. Quickly. And today we completed this chapter. And tomorrow we'll start with a new chapter, chapter number 7, 80. Or let me check.
Sir, if you have the doubts in this chapter, can we ask you in the next?
Yes, next class you have time on Monday or anything you have doubts. You can just inform me before one day that tomorrow can we have a doubt class. So I'll just put my title as doubt class. I will just take your doubt class. And did you subscribe my channel? Yeah. Joshua, you did? Yeah. Johan, did you subscribe my channel?
I think, yeah.
Yeah. If you didn't subscribe, then
Okay.
subscribe. Let me check. In maths, tomorrow we'll take this chapter like that. Yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll take uh, chapter number 26, probability. Okay, we are just jumping to the last chapter. So write down. Tomorrow we'll take chapter number 26, probability. It's very easy chapter. Or one or three classes.
Sir, so it's from 16th onwards that I have to wake up at 6 in the morning, sir.
No. For two class only.
Can you
16
repeat the
and
date?
17. 16 and 17.
Okay, sir.
My God. For the whole math class, and I was thinking,
Not exactly.
okay. So only for two classes only. Because June there will be holidays. Okay, so guys, there will be holiday for you for whole June month. Okay, June there won't be classes because I need some summer vacation. June there will be holidays. Till May there will be classes. Till May 30. Tomorrow we'll take chapter probability. Okay, do the question. Joshua, you find all the roots, all the factors.
No, I'm in the second last one.
Quickly do it, quickly. Anna,
Yes, sir.
help. You get the all the factors, you got the answer.
No, sir. I'm a bit slow with the middle term splitting, but I'm getting it.
Johan, you got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the answer? Johan, what's the answer?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Uh,
Okay, Hannah, do the rest of the question. Page number 131, don't sit. And just see the computer screen. Hannah, are you getting all the questions answers? No, you just use for it. Yeah, tell it again.
Didn't do any math questions yesterday, so I just did the sign.
Okay. But are you getting it? No concept. It means that I have it. You know, guys, yesterday, like 10 CBSE class result was out, and we got three students which are in 90. First is person, she Omisha, she got 93. Then second is Suhani, she got 92.4. Third is Angel, she got 90. And rest is Gia 86 and Kushagari 84. So we got very diverse number also. Like we got a number of 49 percentage one also. Okay. So but it's a good thing for us. Like previous to previous years, we have only one in 90, I guess, or two in 90. But this time we have three in 90. So can we have a clap for NXT? Again, not together. Joshua, you if you got stuck, just ask me. Okay, done. Everyone got the answer? Turn on the camera, Hannah, everyone. Yes, sure. You got the factors? Still got some problem, beta? Ask me.
Adding the x square minus 4x minus 170.
170. Okay, so
Adding like the 4 adding the 170.
yeah, yeah. So you need minus first of all. So 117 comes in the table of 39. So 13 nines are 117. But here I'm getting answer as plus 117. I need answer as minus 117. So where will I put the minus sign?
On the 9 one. On the 9.
If you will put on 9 1, then you will get answer of minus 7 minus, which is correct. And then you will add it, what will you get answer? 4x, and because 13 is greater than this, so it means that plus 4 actually. And you will get an answer of minus 4.
So should we put it on minus on both sides?
On both? You are saying on both?
Wait, put it on 13. 13 on
Yeah, only 13. Then we become minus. You got the factors. Got it, Joshua? No, still not. Today I will send you a worksheet of middle term splitting. It might be 40 questions. Little questions you have to do it so that you can be a master in. You see, my funda is to do only little homework because I understand the burdens of my children. So that's why I will send only 40 to 60 questions to solve it. Not more than that. Okay. Right? Children start to be, they should be in burden for doing these questions. So it should be like that. Understood? Yeah. Be gracious to everyone.
Sir,
Yes, please.
what is the answer for this one, sir?
For this one,
For this one
yes.
on the screen.
Yes or no? Which Joshua asked.
Yes, sir.
So x squared minus 13x plus 9x minus 117. Okay. Now what is the common between these two numbers is x. It will become x minus 13. And what is the common between these two numbers is 9 because this is also coming, that 117 is coming in the table of 9. So 9x will
Sir,
become
I meant the question that you gave, sir.
the whole answer you want.
Yes, sir.
So you tell me the answer.
Is it x plus 1 upon x plus 5?
Perfect. And I was doing like this. Yes. Yes. Now do the next question. Who motor laser? Motor,
So
motor.
I can't get from other person. Check your
Second one.
progress 4.9, the third one. I can't but
You didn't get this then? Why?
because after I did all the middle term splitting, there's nothing common. So when I'm multiplying it, the answer is not matching.
Hmm. You didn't get the middle term splitting of x square plus x plus 1.
I am doing the third one. Check your progress 4.9. Find the product and express the result.
Okay, I'll do this. Should I do this? Okay, bye.
It's not that one, sir.
Sorry?
It's not that one. It's check your progress 4.9. 1,
Hmm.
3. So it's 3x square minus 15x plus 3.
Oh, okay. Now, what factor you got? Minus 18? No.
I got
Mine,
3x upon 9, 3x minus 9 into x minus 2 upon 2x minus 4 into 17x plus 3 upon x
okay, let
minus
me write it down. Let me write it down. 3x minus 3x minus.
9 into x minus 2
Okay.
upon 2x minus 4
Hmm.
into 17x plus 3
Hmm.
upon x minus 3 into x.
Into x plus 3.
No, x minus 3 into x minus.
Hmm. This is the answer. Enough?
Yes, right.
What is this? What is
I
this
didn't know I
question?
had to remove the common thing out of the thing.
No, this question is like kindergarten question, no? Huh? Joshua, you got the factors? No.
Is the before one or this one?
No, before one.
Before one, I don't know if it's correct.
What question? What factors you got? Tell me. I'll check.
Square plus 13x plus 9x plus 117.
What is the question? X square?
The question is,
No, which equation you did middle term splitting? Tell me that equation only.
I did the middle term splitting of 17x square, 117x square.
Yeah,
Minus,
equation like x square plus, I think x square
oh, x square,
minus 9. Yeah,
Oh, I did x square minus 13x plus 9x plus 1
Okay. X square minus 13x plus 9x plus 1170. This is the question.
Oh, yeah.
Now, how to do?
I did first middle term splitting.
Yeah, now you have to find the common between these two numbers. What is the common?
X,
Then,
again x, you have to write. Then minus 1
hmm, then,
Then you have to write
hmm.
plus plus 9x.
No, we have to find the common. What is the common between these two numbers?
Um, mm,
Like 117 will also come in the table of 9. Okay, so it will be like this: 9 into x minus 13.
uh,
Okay, now what is the common between these two numbers is x minus 13 and x plus 9.
yeah, I got
Simple.
the same answer.
That is correct.
Uh,
Now do the next one.
Next one was it x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10?
Do the middle splitting of that.
I did it the middle 10x square into 2x and 5x.
Say loudly.
10x square into 2x
Hmm.
and 5x.
Okay, done.
2 5s are 10. And then I did x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10.
Very good then.
Then I did x into x plus 5
Yes.
into plus 2 into x
Hmm.
plus, and I got
Very good.
x plus 5 into x
Then the fourth equation, middle term splitting.
fourth equation. I did first and second.
Okay. Then do the last one. Joseph, did you get it now?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. You will do it.
Sir, what question is this?
Sorry.
So, what question is this? Which progress?
4.9. Check your progress 4.9. Page number 131. And question number third. First part you are doing. Okay. So guys, I hope you understood this chapter. Come with doubts. Okay, then we will decide one day doubts. Tomorrow we will do the chapter number 26 in maths probabilities. Okay, and in science, just I will tell you right now after 4 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed the class, Anna. Till then, bye. Another signing off.
Hi.
And then you guys have 4 minutes to join back. Come on. I'll just tell you the chapter. You guys, please, like, just tell me, sir, time is over for the maths because I always forgot to see the time. Hannah, Joshua, now it's your duty to just remind me at 10:40 that sir, time is over. Okay. Okay. So today we will do the chapter number 10, force and motion. You guys have 2 minutes, then come back. Okay, guys, come back. Come back. We are doing chapter number 10, which is force and motion. So I'm sorry for like telling it to you very late, but everyone take out this book, chapter number 10, force and motion. Okay. Now, what is force? Yes, Johan. Johan, are you there? Johan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is force?
Uh, like an object. I mean, like
Oh,
if you push a push a object push an object with mass to change its velocity.
wow. I got the new word change in velocity. You know what is velocity?
It's like the word speed. I guess I don't know how to explain it. I forgot the
Yeah, say in normal words. It's not, I don't know, needs a typical words. Normal words is okay for me.
velocity is like speed of something,
Okay, speed and something. Okay.
like in a specific direction. Yeah,
Okay.
I,
Specific direction. It's, yeah. So basically, it's correct. Johan, very good. So speed with direction is basically called as velocity, but we'll not go to that extent. we will understand first of all what is force and how force is related to the motion. So, as Johan says, which is definitely correct, that anything. Just give me a second. Give me a second. We'll get PDF. Yeah. So, like what is, we can understand it like this. Like there's a car. There's a car like this. Okay. Now the car is at stationary position. Yes. But when the person will push him, then what will happen? It is exerting some force on the car. Then what will happen? The car will move. First it is at rest, but after some times what will happen? The car will move like this. It will starts to move. So when you are applying a force on an object, it starts to move. Is the chapter, the whole concept is there. Okay. Now, because the chapter motion is not coming in your main exam, it's coming in your TMA, which is not that much hard. So it's not coming in your main exam. Okay. So, but we have to learn some of the terms from the motion chapter. Then only we can understand this chapter meaning. Okay. Before going that, I want to ask one question from you. From each one of you, I want that answer. So uh, there are four bodybuilders are there. Okay. And because they have good muscles, okay, they are pushing a car. Okay. In that car, there is no brake, there is no handbrake, nothing is there. Okay. They are pushing that car, but the car is not moving. Why? They are the bodybuilders, gymmers. Why the car is not moving? So we'll start from hell. Yes. I repeat the question. I will repeat the question. There are four bodybuilders are there. Okay. Like I am not a bodybuilder. I am the fat builder. So I can push the car easily. Okay. But there are four bodybuilders are there. And they are pushing the car. It's not moving, even though there is no brake applied. Nothing is there. But still it's not moving. Why? Yes.
Pushing it from opposite direction.
Means
We are all pushing it from opposite direction. With the force
opposite
back.
direction. So, for example, if this is the front part, so if the four bodybuilders, like here is stickman, so if they are pushing in this direction, you're saying like this.
Saying if you are standing on the opposite side,
Which side? This side or this side?
and then like if two are standing on opposite sides, then it is not fair.
Yes. So basically, the bodybuilders have the body, but they didn't get the wisdom. Yes, poor bodybuilder. So two bodybuilders were pushing from this side, and two bodybuilders was pushing from this side. That's why it's not able to move. So when the it is called as balanced force. What force is called as it? It is called as balanced force. What is balanced force? When an equal amount of force is applied from opposite directions is called as balanced force. Understood? Okay. Now, what is the result of balanced force? The car which is at rest, it's remain at rest. There is no force is applied like this. It is looking like. For a whole system, what we can see, if we will if we will just imagine that bodybuilders are pushing the car, but if we imagine that there is no bodybuilders, so it means that the before that also it has rest, and after applying force is also at rest. So this type of force is called as balance force. Now I am the one who is the fat builder. Okay, I am the one who's the fat builder. So like I have to make my like this. So if I will push the object, the car from this direction, then what will happen?
It will
The
move.
car will move. So this type of force is called as unbalanced force. This is called as balanced force, and this is called as unbalanced force. What is the result of unbalanced force? That if car is at rest, then it will move. And what is the result of unbalanced force? Sorry, balanced force. That if car is at motion, that the car, if car is at rest, then it will remain at rest. If it is at rest, then it will remain as rest. Understood? Yes or no? Joshua, Hannah, Johan. Okay, quickly write it down. Okay, Hannah, do you have a book for that? Like your book is open now?
Printed out.
Okay, so print it, okay? And Joshua, you have book now? Like this chapter?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, quickly write it down, then we have to read something. Done? Now Joshua, read this. Page number 229. Balanced force and unbalanced force.
Have you seen a game of tug of war? In this game, when the two teams pull with equal force, they apply balanced forces on the rope. The rope thus remains stationary. When one of the teams applies greater force, it is able to pull the other team and the rope towards their side. In this case, forces are unbalanced. For understanding,
Okay, now listen. Now listen. See, guys. Now understand it like this. So, for example, um, this is a box having mass m. Now this person and this is another person. Okay. Now this is pulling and this is like both are pushing in opposite direction. So will the box still move? Like for example, if it is putting 2 Newton force and it is also putting 2 Newton force, then what will happen? The box will not move because both the forces are cancelled out because they are applying in the opposite direction. Yeah. Now, if this person will apply 3 Newton, then what will happen? Where the object will move towards this direction. Yes. So in this case, now this will become unbalanced force because the 3 Newton one is putting more force, more push, so that the box can move and he can win the game. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Next question. Next Pranna, please.
should I read the activity?
Yeah, you can read.
Place a brick on a table. Push the brick towards left with your hand. What do you observe? The brick begins to move to the left direction. Now push the brick towards the right with your left hand. In which direction the brick moves this time? Now push the brick from both the sides with equal forces. What do you observe? In this case, you will observe that the brick does not move in any direction. Can you think why the brick does not move this time? In fact, in this case, the two forces balances each other. Such forces are called balanced forces. Which type of changes can be produced by balanced forces? As seen above, balanced forces do not change the state of rest or motion of the object on which they are applied. Now recall the activity 10.1 and think whether it was balanced or unbalanced force on the balloon. Yes, you are right. It was the balanced force applied by your palms that changed the shape of the balloon. What happened when the two opposite forces acting on the brick are of different magnitudes? In this case, the brick would begin to move in the direction of greater force. Such forces are called unbalanced forces. Unbalanced forces acting on an object may change its state of rest or motion. Try to
Yeah.
find.
So I hope you understood the difference between the balanced force and the unbalanced force. Okay. Now your homework is in text question 10.2. Write it down the homework and in text question 10.1. In text question 10.1 and 10.2. Okay. So this is your homework and you have to do it then inertia. Before going to inertia and mass, we will first understand. Yes, Hannah.
So regarding yesterday's questions, I couldn't find the answers to
Some of the questions you didn't find the answer.
No, I searched the book, but some of the I couldn't find them.
Okay, you just message me with that questions. Okay. Then in the next class, we will take that question directly before starting the science class. Okay. Now today we'll end this class because the motion description is bit bigger. So tomorrow when we will come, we will understand first distance, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration, which is the important and the key roles for this chapter. Because the motion chapter is not coming, so we can't waste our 1 week or 2 weeks for understanding that motion chapter in deeply. But we will go briefly, okay, so that we can do questions which is in this chapter. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yes. So this is your homework, intake question 10.1. And in maths, I will send one worksheet also for the middle term splitting. Okay, you have to do that thing also. Okay, not more than 50 question I will send. Like not more than that. Okay, say loudly, है ना?
So do I also have to do the work?
You want more?
I understand middle term splitting. Can I do the terminal questions and all the other?
Yeah, you can do that also, and you can do middle term splitting also. Okay. Okay. So I think we have to close this class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata.